If you have ever watched your phone suggest the next word as you type, you have seen the foundational technology behind AI. Modern AI is, at its core, an extraordinarily sophisticated version of that next word prediction. AI looks at everything you have written, plus everything it has said, and predicts the most likely next word. Then the next, then the next. Word by word, it builds a complete response. This is the most important mental model in AI literacy. Internalize it, and almost everything about AI's behavior makes sense. How can autocomplete write a poem? Scale. AI has read enormous portions of the human written record. When you ask it for a poem about your dog, it has read millions of poems. When you ask it for an email, it has read more professional emails than any human ever could. This is why AI is great at writing, summarizing, translating, paraphrasing, brainstorming, and conversation, all pattern-heavy tasks. Pattern matching at scale. This is also why AI is bad at math, counting, real-time information, and personal context the AI does not have. All things that require something other than pattern matching. This is why hallucinations happen. The AI predicts what a plausible answer looks like, not whether the answer is true. The AI does not know the difference. Always verify what matters. The difference between AI and a search engine. Search engines find existing pages. AI generates a response from scratch. The response is constructed in real time. The same question can produce different answers. AI sometimes invents sources that do not exist. 3 rules from the mental model: give the AI context, verify what matters, iterate rather than expect perfection. In the next lesson, we walk through the actual websites and tools that put AI capability in your hands.